uneenan'ya mwao kati wa serikali na ule WIAMBIIA WAKWAMBILIILY'A tuendete thini wa kikalo chambe timu ciele ciacia kana maundu mambia memaseo atio maundu ma vata yulu wa itu inene ila cikwithiwa cinenaniwa ni ciutangaswa muthenyani wa WAKWAMBILIILY'A mwandiki wa mauvoku makisioni cha Ilovi Benjamin Mwaka atindila Bomas of Kenya bala umbano usu kana uneenan'ya usu utwaiwa na ni watu mbanisenge wenu.
Tuelekele wikendi vinda ile tumika haya vata muno kwa atati kuvuvea mwaki medhiumo ya udhu katika wa serikali na ulei yu wikendi idhuwa na uhikonye sondesi anthi ni kwithiwa uneenan'ya ula wiyetelo muno wa President William Ruto na ndongo ya AZIMIO Raila Odinga waambie kinayambe kwi umundi itino angaliko siele kukomana.
So one of the things you're saying is the committee members will not go out there over the weekend or whatever and begin to discuss matters that are strictly within the province of these negotiations. So you're really going to see a lot of good order from these leaders.
Kinayambe ni kanangaliko isieli siegwa na kuseuvya nzama siake uvundi kilangaliko kwithukisya na kuosanya uvo wonde kukonya kila kiuneenan'ya mesani ino zama ila tuivikia augesele kwikalanthi kwambisya kuvangithya mivango na mitatala ya kiwia.
We have agreed that we begin the dialogue process once we frame the agenda items, and I think we should be ready with that by Monday as agreed.
We think that the technical teams should sit by Friday and generate the necessary documents so that on Monday we get moving. We realize that time is extremely of the essence. The speakers of parliament will provide the answered reporters. We thought that is very important because subsequently we expect there will be documents generated and they will require presentation perhaps on the floor of both houses.
Mbewa uneenan'ya ukwambisya ngwatiri ya AZIMIO ungwa ndongo ya Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka ikwati ya kanangala mamikale ni uneenan'ya vata utesa kuvwaiwe metho neongaliko ya serikali utongo inu wa ndongo ya ala inge mbungeni akati muyumba wake kuyo Kimani Ichung'wa ithitwe ithinkila mesani vaithu uneenan'ya wa handshake netu ila President William Ruto uithingile ile kwa vanene ndambukani yake ya Kimani weekendi hivitie.
We together as leaders from both sides have agreed that we don't have the luxury of failing. We cannot afford to fail in this process. And as much as I appreciate we have heavy issues before us, we know we will agree. We may disagree on some, but we all engage in good faith and with mutual respect for each other and for Kenyans and in the best interest of the country.
Na kuyana na AZIMIO ni kana maundu maito alama asukumeisye uneenan'ya wa Bomas tima wendi maki mundu ateo nifso ya mweano wanthi kunengwa ndaya mesani imbia ya uneenan'ya.
I believe that although we have been seconded here by our parties, we are here for our nation first and foremost. Dialogue, peace, stability and prosperity in whose name we gather here are not party issues. These are Kenyan issues. These are aspirations as the people of Kenya. These issues should unite and never divide us. I therefore wish to appeal to this gathering not to assemble in vain.
We want to promise the AZIMIO team that we are here to discuss the issues as we shall raise them. We will take this process very, very seriously, and our president has directed that we do so, and that we'll continue to consult both within here and outside in order that we can come up with long-lasting solutions.
Vilingi wa mavoku mabamu sino Ilovi nye nito Benjamin na Mwaka.